Hi, welcome to Story Time with Rohini. Today I will narrate a South Indian folk tale called God Provides. Once upon a time, the kingdom of Andhra Pradesh was ruled by a kind and generous king. Many people from far and wide came seeking alms from the king. Every day, two beggars came to the king's palace seeking alms. One of the beggars was a young man who would always say, "King provides," after he received alms. The other beggar was an old man, and every time after he received alms, he would say, "God provides." The king was irritated hearing the old beggar. He thought that it was he who was providing, and the old beggar is always praising God in return, and not him, the king, who's providing him with alms. So the king decided to teach the old man a lesson. Next day, when the young beggar and the old beggar came to king seeking alms, he asked them to walk on a particular road in the kingdom the next day. And he instructed the young beggar to walk first on the road. That night, the king arranged for a purse of 100 gold coins to be placed on the road. Next day, the beggars went to that road, and as instructed, the first beggar or the young man started walking on the road. But when he began walking, he started wondering as to why the king had asked him to walk on the road. He thought and he decided that probably the king wanted him to enjoy the smoothness and beauty of the road. So the young beggar closed his eyes and walked slowly, enjoying the smoothness and the beauty of the road. Next, when it was turn for the old beggar to walk on the road, he walked with his eyes wide open, looking for things, and he found the purse of 100 gold coins. He was very glad. Next day, when the beggars went back to the king excitedly came down and asked, "Did anything strange happen to you yesterday?" And he intended this question at the young beggar. And the young beggar said, "No, sire, nothing strange happened. You asked me to walk on the road, and I walked on the road and enjoyed the smoothness and beauty of the road." Then the king turned to the old beggar and said, "Did anything strange happen to you yesterday?" And the old beggar said, "Yes, sire, something very strange happened to me. When I was walking on the road suggested by you, I found a purse of 100 gold coins." And the king was disappointed. And then the beggar went, "Like I always told you, sire, God provides." The king was disappointed, but he did not give up. He wanted to teach the old beggar a lesson no matter what, so he came up with a different plan. This time, the king took a huge pumpkin and asked his soldiers to put lots of jewels and diamonds and gold and precious things into the pumpkin. And next day, when the beggars returned for alms, the king gave the pumpkin stuffed with precious things to the young beggar personally. And he said, "Young man, take this pumpkin home and cook it for yourself and enjoy it." And to the old beggar, he just gave the regular stuff. Beggars parted, they went their way. And while the young man was walking, he started thinking what he could do with the pumpkin. He was a bachelor, he didn't know how to cook, and he could not eat a pumpkin raw. As he was thinking about it, he saw a shopkeeper. Immediately, the young man got an idea. So, he offered his pumpkin for sale to the shopkeeper, and the shopkeeper accepted. And the young beggar received 2 silver coins for the pumpkin, and he went home happily. And Then the old beggar happened to come on the same street seeking alms from different people, and he stopped in front of the shop and asked the shopkeeper, "Sire, alms for an old man, please." And the shopkeeper saw the old man and he took pity on him. Immediately he looked at his counter, and on the counter he found the pumpkin, and he thought, "I have no particular use of this pumpkin, so let me give it to the old man," he said, and he handed the pumpkin to the old man. Now the old beggar went home happily, deciding to eat the pumpkin, cook the pumpkin and eat it. But the moment he cut it open, he found precious jewels in it. He was more than happy, and he praised God. Next day, the beggars went back to the king's palace again. And the king rushed down and asked the young beggar, "Did anything exciting happen to you yesterday?" And then the young beggar said, "No, sire, nothing exciting happened, but I earned 2 extra silver coins by selling your pumpkin." And the king was a little disappointed, and he turned to the old man and asked, "Did anything exciting happen to you yesterday?" And the old man said, "Yes, something extremely exciting and thrilling happened to me yesterday. After leaving your palace, sire, I went to an old shopkeeper and I asked him for alms, and he gave me a pumpkin. And when I went home and cut open the pumpkin, I found it stuffed with jewels and precious stones and gold and everything I could wish for. Sire, like I always said, God provides," concluded the old man. Now the king had learnt his lesson. He realized that it is God who provides and not him, and it has already been proven twice. So whenever the old beggar said God provides, the king just nodded his head and agreed with him, and never tried to teach anybody a lesson saying that he provides. He accepted God's superiority and lived peacefully later. Thank you.